There are growing expectations for different sectors to use research. Why is that? The role of research in social and economic development is flagged within government science strategies. Countries spend a significant amount on research and want to be sure they're making the best use of this investment. This also aligns with the values of many researchers who first started doing research because they wanted to make a difference. Many of the problems we face in promoting research use are common across countries and areas of practice, so there is lots we can learn together. So what are the benefits of using research? Research can help us to understand better all kinds of elements of practice. We often emphasise the ability of research to tell us whether new interventions are effective. However, research can answer many more questions. It can help us explore what students want and need, how teachers experience their practice, and how the cultures of schools impact upon that practice. We can also draw insights from a very wide range of academic disciplines, including history, the importance of knowing what we did in the past, and architecture, how does the configuration of a school building influence learning? So what do we know about using research in practice? To support the use of research in practice, we need to consider three things. Number one, getting research out there in accessible formats and on platforms that are accessible to practitioners. Number two, engaging practitioners and other stakeholders in the research process and getting to know their contexts and the challenges they face. Number three, addressing barriers in our systems to the use of research, such as professional time and skills to use research, lack of rewards and other incentives. Finally, why are more insights needed into using research well, and how is the Q project's work situated in that global context? We still don't know very much about the ways in which research is used. In particular, we have very little evidence about what it means to use research in the best ways to improve our practice. The Q project is critical because it addresses a previously overlooked area, the quality of evidence use. It is also a substantial investment in a large and rigorous study. Colleagues around the world in education and in other policy areas are interested in the study as a result. And perhaps most importantly, it is timely as there is more interest than ever before in the use of evidence to support practice.